Suppose there is an array, and you can what we can do is we can have like suppose there are 5 elements with whatever 1 to 8 18 20, and we want the elements greater than 20, uh, greater than 18, greater than 20. So with the help of filter we can do. And the other thing you asked is map. Okay, so map, it will create a new array. For example, like there is a set of 4 to 5 elements, and if we want to add each element by 2 or multiply each element by 2, we can do with the help of map. Yeah, sure. Just let me know once you are able to see. Are you? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, sure. So map. Okay, like any array you can give, like, or should I create? Yes, come again. Okay. 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 Just any other editor? Okay, yeah. Just a second. I will open another editor. Programmers. It is not working here. Yeah, yeah. I'm using, just a second. Yeah. Script and Yeah.
Okay, can you please explain?
Yeah. So what I did is here is I have taken firstly I have taken an array with four elements, whatever like any random elements. So I have took a function which will return greater. I have the each element it will be multiplied by 20. So here 64 into 20 it is 1280. 61 into 20 is equals to 1220, and other two elements the same. So this function it will multiply each element by 20, and here it will printing all the elements. So here it has been printed the array, the result array. Now for the filter, so same array, we are filtering the same array. So what we are doing is here this function is filtering which is greater than 60. So it will check each element whether 64 is greater than 60. Yes, it will take this here, print here it will we can see, whereas 61 it is greater than 60 but not 24 and 21. So this will filter which is greater than 60, and it will print all the elements.
Okay, the function that is my function.
Yes.
Line number three. You have created separate function and
Yes.
passed the map function.
Yes.
Instead of creation of separate function, can we pass the function directly to the map function?
Like I didn't get what you meant to say.
As in the line number three, you are passing my function to map function, right?
Yes.
You have created the separate function.
Yes.
So can we pass instead of creation of separate my function? Can I pass the function direct to the map function?
Yes. 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 Directly you're right. Yes, we can do it.
Can you please give me an example?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. I'm doing it here only. Oh, done. Oh, okay. 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 Mm. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
So what you did here?
Yeah. So I directly I mapped with each number. I took each number and multiplied each element by 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in the please check the chat.
Yeah. Sure.
I have sent two
Second.
questions. Please
Okay.
give the answer of these.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Console log of hello. Okay. It will print hello. Set timeout. Okay. It will print in last. Okay. And the console log of my uh console log of E.
Firstly, give me the answer of first question. After that,
Okay, it will print uh, hello, bye, and then how are you?
why it will display how are you later?
Because it is a set timeout, and it will be like in the, you can say, in a, it will be in waiting in a queue. Like it will firstly execute, you can say,
Um,
synchronous. Hello.
yes, yes.
Yeah, so synchronous code will get executed and then asynchronous. So set timeout is included in asynchronous.
But I have passed zero.
Yeah, it doesn't mind because set timeout is set timeout, whether it is 0, 1, 2. But firstly synchronous, and if it is even 0, then also it will execute after the synchronous code.
Okay.
Where a equals to 10, let b equals to 20. Okay, so firstly, so long of a, so uh, so in the second it will be uh, so for this it will be an error. We can console log of p, because due to it let doesn't support hosting, whereas where it supports. So 10 and error, it can't be like, it should be declared before like printing.
Okay. For the second console, it is okay. And for the first console,
It should be 10. Yes, 10.
you use slice and supplies method.
Yes, I have.
Okay. Uh, can you please give me an example of slice and supplies?
Slice and splice, what it will do is like it will so slice method, it will, like you can say, a copy will be created of an array, and return a portion, or it can return a portion of an array. And the other one you asked is splice. So splice method will, you can say, it can change the contents, it can change the elements of an array as well.
Can you please give me an example in the data?
Okay, okay. Uh, Yeah.
Okay, can you please
Yeah,
explain?
sure. The slice, what it will do is it will take the index. So index here is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will take the first index, and from the first index it will, hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So it will take like now till 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So from first index it will, like it will check from like the four elements. It will check 1, 2, 3, 4. It will stop if we write,
Second, okay, just
if we
run this.
if we write 3, then it will take orange and watermelon. Say this. Yeah. So this was the slice and splice. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So splice it will take like here what we are doing is it it will start from index 1, and it will delete two items from the array.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you used reduce mapper in JavaScript?
Reduce, yes, I have.
Can you please add five numbers using reduce?
Add 5. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So like
And
uh
one, two, three, four, five, six.
yeah, yeah, got it. Like any like okay, I will take any. Okay.
You can also take an above array.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I was. Yeah, okay, fine, fine. Like reduce. Hello.
Yes, yes.
We can like accumulate like like we can multiply or we can add. So you are telling me that I want to like add each element by 5, right?
No, 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 no.
Then
You have an array num. You need to find the sum of all the elements in that
some.
array.
Okay, okay, okay. Then I have. Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, done.
Can you please explain?
Yeah, sure. So here I'm with the help of reduce method we are accumulating. We are adding like every element. So what? So this it will accumulate like, so. Firstly, it will take the first element and the second element. It will be adding first two elements. Then it will get stored in A, and then B. It will be taking the third value, and so on.
Okay. Please open the chat. I'm
Yeah, sure.
typing one. I think I mentioned 3 years. How can I do? You have this string, hello, how are you? You need to add hello, your name after the hello in this string.
Uh,
How
I
means output should be just wait. Output output like this. I need this output from the given input.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Okay, can you please explain?
Yeah. Sure. So what I've used is replace. So with the help of replace method, we can replace. So here I have searched which string I have to replace,
Okay,
and G stands for global replacement. So it will check where it is, where the exact word is present in a sentence. So it will check, and then it will replace it with this value.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Let's start React.js.
Yeah.
Have you used class component or only function component?
I have used functional components.
Okay.
Yes.
So I hope you have used hooks in functional component as
Yes.
well.
Yes.
So how many hooks you have used?
I've used use state, use effect. Mostly I've used use state, use effect. I've used use ref and use memo uh, a bit, but yeah, mostly use state, use effect.
Okay. Why we use effect?
Use effect is like it is used to perform like side effects. For example, yeah. So for example, like mounting, updating, unmounting, like we do what we do in for this purpose like in class component we use component did mount, component did and update, component will unmount, we use in class component, but here in functional components we use with the help of use effect.
Okay. So how many arguments we can pass to use effect?
Two.
Okay. Can you please explain the two
Yeah.
arguments?
Yeah, so in first there will be a function and
Okay.
in the second there will be dependency.
Okay. Can you please little bit more explain about dependency?
Dependency is like, yeah. So suppose if we don't pass a dependency, so it will run on every render, the function. If there is an empty array, then it will run only on the first render. And suppose if we pass uh, a prop, so so what it will happen? It will run on the first render and it will and like if the state changes, so on that time it will run.
Okay. So how we can pass data from parent to child?
How we can pass
Data from parent to
a
child
parent to child with the help of props?
and child to parent.
Callback.
Have you used Redux?
Yes, I have I've used thumb.
Okay. Saga as well.
saga
Alongside.
I've used thumb.
Okay. Have you used Redux toolkit or a normal Redux?
Normal redux.
Okay. Why we use Redux?
Why we use redux is like it is used for it manage the state globally, so for mainly for that purpose we use redux.
What are the main components of Redux? How it will work?
So
A bit more.
yes, come again.
Can you please explain a little bit more? What are the main components of Redux?
So main components are there will be like action, there will be reducer, there will be and there will be store. So these are the three main components. Yeah.
What is the purpose of use memo?
Use memo is like we so suppose there is a data, it has been updated to the same value, so there is no purpose of re-rendering, so to avoid that re-rendering use memo is used.
Okay. Okay.